Hey guys, this is Diane here from Design Creative, and today I'm going to show you how to create a dynamic footer or a dynamic copyright year in your footer. Now, what do I mean by dynamic copyright year? So basically, if you look on my website at the bottom, I've got copyright, I've got the copyright symbol, and then I've got the numbers 2019. Now, when it gets to 2020, this should dynamically or automatically change to 2020 without me having to go in and rechange that. So before, what we used to do when it was just plain HTML sites is we would actually just go back and add the date in and then go back and then add the date in year after year. Luckily, we're able to do this really simply using Elementor. Now, you do need the Elementor Pro in order to do this, but it is extremely simple. And once you know how to do it, you're going to be able to do it for all of your websites. So you could use a text module for this or a heading module. I'm going to use a text module. Let's just get rid of this one. And on the top here, you would see we have a dynamic setting. You can click on that. And as you scroll down, you will have current date time. If we click on that, it would basically show us the current date and time. Okay, but what we want to do is only let it display the year and have the copyright logo there. So let's go back here and we're going to click on this wrench. And here where it says date format, we're going to change this to custom. Now it's got custom format and we can delete all of that and just put in a capital Y for year. You can see now over here that it's changed to 2019. Now, in order to get it to say copyright 2019, the Design Creative and whatever, if you scroll down, we've got an advanced section here. If we click on this, we've got before and after and a fallback. So before, I can just type in the words copyright and I could put in the copyright symbol. And then after, I could put the Design Creative. And ideally, what I would do in this situation, let's put a space in front so then it's not bunched up together. But if you could have a look here, you will see now we've got copyright at 2019, the Design Creative. And if I want to fall back, so say if this doesn't seem to work, I can just put down 2018 or 2019, sorry. So, and that is basically it. Once you've done that, you just save that and you have now got a dynamic footer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I hope to see you again.